Hello everyone. My induction stove stopped heating and keeps throwing this error code. It won't detect the pot at all, so let's open it up. I'm removing the bottom cover to get inside. Here are the internals. Water got on this board. I'm carefully unplugging all the wiring to free the main board. Check the diode bridge for a short circuit. The diode bridge looks intact. Then I check IGBT. It also looks intact, but I want to unsolder it to make sure. I'm desoldering the components from the board for a proper test. Individually, all components seem intact, including the power MOSFET. And unfortunately, this board could not be repaired. Buying a new microcontroller came at the cost of a cheaper board assembly. Please support this video with a like and thanks for watching.